Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into diagnostic trouble code P0001, a problem with your fuel volume regulator control circuit. This one can cause hard starting, stalling, or even a complete no start. Let's break it down. P0001 means your PCM can't properly communicate with the fuel volume regulator. That regulator controls how much fuel gets sent to your engine based on demand. If the control circuit is open, meaning a break or disconnection, the fuel system can't do its job. This code is most common on direct injection systems and diesels, but can show up in other vehicles too. So what can trigger this code? A bad fuel volume regulator or solenoid is the most likely cause, but it could also be damaged wiring, maybe a break in the circuit or a short to ground or power. Don't forget about corroded connectors, especially in older or high-mileage vehicles. And while rare, the PCM itself could be at fault if the signal output is dead. How will you know? The check engine light will definitely come on. You might notice the car is hard to start, or it might stall during idle or acceleration. Fuel pressure might be erratic, or you might see a no-start condition if the fuel isn't getting regulated at all. In some cases, you'll also notice poor performance and hesitation. To fix it, start by using a scan tool to check live fuel pressure data. Then inspect the wiring and connectors going to the fuel volume regulator. Look for breaks, corrosion, or loose plugs. Use a multimeter to test resistance and voltage in the circuit. If the regulator solenoid is out of spec or not responding, replace it. Only replace the PCM if you're sure everything else checks out and it's not sending a proper signal. And that's your breakdown of code P0001. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more automotive content, and drop a comment if you've dealt with this code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.